Hi, my name's Jenny and welcome back to my channel. It's great to have you with me today. So I am finally going to start building some raised beds right here on the allotment. So I've already cleared away some of the weeds and stuff, and I'm just going to show you like how I put my beds together. I'm going to lay some cardboard, I'm going to pour some compost on top of that. I have got a couple of really cool helpers today, so a few of my kids are with me, so you'll probably see them in the video to come. Let's go and get on with it. Me and the kids worked really late on these two beds, so it's in fact the next day, but I thought I'd come and let you see how we got on. It is looking pretty good. We do definitely have more work to do, but I guess that's always the way, isn't it? We've just put some bark down on the paths, which is just to help suppress the weeds really, and so that I have less hoeing to do, because it is definitely not my favourite job. I'm gonna have to clear some of the weeds off the rest of this section over here before I put the other two in, but I shall get on with that shortly. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do comment below and say hi, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.